This marks the end of this lesson. We started this lesson back on page 42. And let's review a couple of things. We had an exercise of 16th notes, and then dotted eighth note to a 16th note, and we counted them. One note with this, I would like to say, in the book, we have the counting of one and two and three and. Many people count this as one E and a two E and a three E and a. You might find that easier to say. From 16th notes, we went to dotted eighth, 16th, and also played that as swing, which would have the triplet feel. Remember, that's the 16th, dotted eighth, 16th. The swing feel is the triplet. From there on, we went over the relative minor to the G major scale, E minor, with the natural, harmonic, and E melodic minor. More chords on page 43. Picking duet on 44. Rhythm accompaniment with movable chord forms. Talking about that. Page 46, we had a speed study. Again, we went back to relative minor scale to now the F major scale, D minor. We learned some more rhythm, movable chords, especially the augmented chord, and then we did this picking etude. And I have to say that this is really a cross-section of what we should be practicing all the time. We have technique studies, we have scale studies, we have chord and harmony studies, we have rhythmic studies, and we have duets, and we have theoretical studies, meaning the relative minor. You may want to, at times, go back and use these categories in practicing review. Pick a scale study, pick a technique study, our picking. Pick a theoretical study, meaning the melodic, harmonic, and natural minor, and pick a duet to play and practice. It's always good to go back and review and see if you could just read through the beginning of the book without really, let's say, practicing it. See what you can recognize.